it, guys. We're at Barrett Jackson. About to go in. It's 1,000 degrees out here. Oh no, that's the exit. Where do we go for the car show? Barrett Jackson.
Across the street.
Across the street?
Right there under the monorail road. You just walk all the way down here and then make a left, and when you go left, it'll take you inside.
Oh shit. So I can walk straight down here and hit it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Right here. Say right here.
Don't let us go.
How you doing?
Hi. Any metal will go
How
in
you
here.
guys doing, man?
The tickets on the
All
end
right.
here.
Okay. No metal. Could I just walk?
So you're gonna want to go
She'll tell you exactly.
up this escalator, down the hallway, make a right. You'll see the front lobby. Move on.
Yeah, come on through, guys. Come on through,
The front lobby.
ma'am. Come on. Take the.
You'll see a shop, and then the other one is registration. Don't forget your phone.
Right, they go to the restaurant and get tickets.
So, alright.
Up the
Go up
hallway,
here.
make a right.
All right.
2 areas, 1 registration.
You guys just follow
Okay.
me, go to the same place.
Thank you.
All right, guys.
Oh, boy.
All right. Go back for a moment.
You have a phone on you?
Okay, now, what's up? You're good. You're good.
All right. Thank
What
you.
happened? You stay too long. We zapping.
Oh, okay. Alright, thank you.
You're good. Keep doing it.
Alright, come on, Chanel. Hang your phone. Said we good. We are in, finally.
It's just like basic
That was a maiden one. Maiden voyage for a drunk and driving motor, yeah.
All these are sold. All of them.
Look at this. 1958 Bliss. 58? This look older than 58. So, I'm gonna still touch it. Little tires, they like bike tires. I'm going all over the place. Start here first. That's where me and Paul was. That's the auction part. We are in here, y'all. We're in here. Let's see what they got. They got the Scooby-Doo car. $75,000 it's sold for, yeah. 75 G's for a van.
That's what I'm thinking.
It's sold for $50,000. That's not bad at all for that. Watch out. On my car, the BMW I had. I want to see what they sold that for. Can't go wrong with one of these. $18,000. My uncle had one of them. $47,000. Yeah, they probably just bought it in. $65,000. That's not bad for that. Not bad at all. That's a clean one too. Look at that. that? The world? I don't know.
I think that's the truck where they showed the kids and stuff. The truck where they was in. You wanna know the movie? You know the
What movie?